You want better skin? Kilalanin mo itong 7 doctors that can keep your body and skin healthy and glowing. And the best part, libre silang lahat. Hello there, I'm Chat De Los Santos. I'm a naturopath cosmetic chemist. To maintain real health, you have to take care of what's happening inside your body first. Parang puno lang yan. If the roots underneath are deep, strong and healthy, the tree will grow beautifully. Pero kapag mahina ang ugat, kahit anong dilig o ayos mo sa dahon, hindi rin lalago ng maayos. Ganon din ang skin. Now, let's talk about the 7 doctors that keeps your body and your skin healthy. First, Dr. Sun helps your body make vitamin D for stronger bones, better mood, and immune protection. Kapag kulang ka sa sunlight, dull din ang skin mo. Number 2, Dr. Water. It keeps your body and skin hydrated. Kapag kulang ka sa tubig, the nutrients cannot circulate well, kaya dry at tight ang balat kahit anong skincare ang gamitin mo. Number 3, Dr. Exercise. It improves blood circulation. Good blood flow means more oxygen and nutrients reach your skin cells, making your complexion brighter and healthier. Number 4, Dr. Diet. Fuels your skin from within. Kung puro processed food at sugar ang kinakain mo, expect inflammation and pimples. Pero kapag real food at vegetables ang madalas, naturally glowing din ang skin mo. Number 5, Dr. Sleep. It allows your body to repair itself. Kapag kulang ka sa tulog, tumataas ang stress hormones at bumababa ang collagen, kaya mabilis din mag-age ang skin. Number 6, Dr. Air. Deep breathing and fresh air bring oxygen to your cells. Kapag lagi kang nasa polluted environment, the skin becomes dull and tired. At syempre, Dr. Energy. This is about emotional balance. Kapag palagi kang stressed o galit, the body releases inflammatory chemicals that break down collagen and cause breakouts. Pero kapag kalmado at masaya ka, your skin literally reflects that happiness. It glows differently. Kaya kung gusto mong gumanda ang balat mo, don't start from the outside. Start from within. Healthy roots create a strong tree, and a healthy body gives you real and lasting glow. Your skin always mirrors what's inside. Follow me for more skin science. Take care of your inner health para ang glow mo natural at long-lasting.